Partial fraction decomposition is when we take a rational expression and break it up into simpler fractions that are easier to work with. And it's a lot simpler than you might think. So starting with this first expression, we're going to take each of the factors in the denominator and separate it out into individual fractions. But we don't know what the values of the numerator are, so we're going to use the placeholders a and b. If we multiply this denominator value by both sides, we will be able to cancel many factors out. So we can cancel out x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 2, and x plus 3. So we're actually left with 5x plus 1 equals x plus 3 times a plus x minus 2 times b. In order to find the values of a and b from here, we can actually plug in a value for x. So the value you plug in for x should be such that you can equate one of these to 0. So what I mean by that is if I plug in negative 3 here, negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. 0 times a will be 0. So I will be left with just this part of the equation. So in this scenario, I'll do just that. I'll plug in negative 3 plus 3 times a plus negative 3 minus 2 times b equals 5 times negative 3 plus 1. So negative 15 plus 1 is negative 14, 0, and then we have negative 5b. Negative 14 equals negative 5b. Divide both sides by negative 5, and we get b equals 14 fifths. Now, in order to find a, we can do the same thing. We can plug in the value that makes this part of the equation 0. So we can plug in 2. So 5 times 2 plus 1 equals 5a. We have 11 equals 5a. Get a equals 11 fifths. Now we can plug in the values of a and b into our previous setup here. So 11 fifths over x minus 2 plus 14 fifths over x plus 3. And simplify that a little bit further. And this is the simplified result of our partial fraction decomposition.